Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Atinella's channel. How have you guys been doing? Hope you guys have been good. Well, today we're going to be filming a makeup video, it's a makeup tutorial.
A transformation
Video on me. So guys, make sure you enjoy this video.
When I'm doing my intro, do I do like this?
So make sure you enjoy, make sure to stay tuned and enjoy this video.
Yes, correct. She's right. She has already said it all. We're going to be doing an extreme makeup transformation on Uche. Extreme, not like anyone you guys have seen before. So if you want to see how it turns out, then just stay tuned. She's happy. She's telling me why don't we do it tomorrow, so that because it's already evening, it's already like 5 p.m. before starting this video. She wants us to do it tomorrow so that she'll have time to rock it all day. It's not even like you can go out. It's not past TikTok. Anyways, let's go ahead and start, okay? I look like a mad person. I know this is not the face you guys came to see, but anyways, I'm just here to tell you guys to please be nice in your comment section, because I always get, oh, the makeup doesn't suit her, the makeup is too much for her, she doesn't look nice with the makeup, you shouldn't do makeup on her, blah blah blah. Please, this is not the video for it, okay? We both love this makeup. Uche loves it, I love it, and we had fun doing this makeup, so let's just be respectful and just enjoy this look together, okay? See the way you just look transformed. As in, this wig is just simple. Okay, it's time to blend. You guys, I'm sure you guys can tell that the lighting is better now. I'm sorry if it wasn't good before, but ooh, where do we start blending this?
Tonight, we will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah, we are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
So guys, we are done. Even though I'm looking like a mad person and Uche is looking like a different person, and see you guys, at first it looked mad, okay, but once we blend it all together, it actually comes out so well. I don't know if you guys can see how this really looks, but it actually smoothly blended and it just looks so smooth. Anyways, this is a finished look and we've been taking pictures. Uche has been feeling herself, but sadly this makeup will soon go off, okay? It's gonna be wiped very soon. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below, like, comment, share, and please follow me on Instagram. It's always on the screen up here. I think it's on this side somewhere here. So please go and follow your girl on Instagram, okay? And I will see you guys in my next one.
Peace out.